Are you having trouble getting Nano Banana to work on your Gemini app? Don't worry, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem. The first thing you should always do is check whether your Gemini app is fully updated. Head over to the Google Play Store or the App Store, search for Gemini, and if you see an update button, install it. Nano Banana is a fairly new feature, and it only works on the latest version of the app. Once the update is complete, reopen Gemini. Next, when you're inside the app, make sure you're using the right model. At the top of the screen, switch to the 2.5 flash model, since Nano Banana is included with it. This step is important. If you're still on an older model, the image generation feature might not appear at all. After switching, try writing a simple test prompt to see if an image is generated. If it's still not working, the issue might be with your internet connection. Nano Banana needs a stable and reasonably fast connection to work smoothly. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi, and then test again. For extra certainty, go to speedtest.net and run a quick check. You'll generally want at least 10-15 Mbps download speed and minimal drops in connection. If your internet is too slow or unstable, that could be the cause. Another possibility is that the Gemini servers are overloaded. Since Nano Banana is brand new, lots of people are experimenting with it at the same time, which sometimes causes temporary downtime. In this case, there's nothing wrong with your app or phone. You just need to wait a little while and try again later. Update the app, switch to the correct model, check your connection, and be patient if the servers are busy. If you've discovered any other fixes that work, share them in the comments so others can benefit.